Hi, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install an Ethernet adapter inside your desktop PC. So, firstly, you're going to need to disconnect all the wires that are plugged into your main PC. After that, you're going to need to make sure that the power supply at the wall is powered off. Then you're going to need to open the main bonnet of your PC, which is normally protected by a screw, and you will need a screwdriver. So go ahead and open up the PC from the sideways and look in your instruction manual of your PC to tell you how you open this. You should slide open to place, and then you'll have the main user interface of your PC. Please note that everything in here should not be literally touched because it's very dangerous. But this is how professionals do it, and this is what I'm showing you today. Now, behind your PC, if you do not have an Ethernet adapter currently installed and you want to access the internet via wired, then you're going to need something called an Ethernet adapter, which can be bought for around £15. Firstly, open the protective bonnet, which is over here. This bonnet actually protects all your PCI slot cards, which are the things that extra supplements can be placed. Here is how a PCI card looks like. To install this, here's what we must do. As you can see, we have got open slots on the PC. So with one of the slots that you prefer, slot the Ethernet adapter in. As you can see, pretty much now, on the PC I've got, it says here PCI slots, and you got around 4 PCI slots. These PCI slots is where you insert it. So the gold plated area of the connection must go inside this PCI slot, like so. Please make sure all the wires remain where they are. Now, as you do this, the card will begin to show at the back of your PC, and all you have to do is slot it in, push it down, and there you have it. It's now in place. Now all you're going to want to do is secure it in place. To secure it in place, get back your bonnet PCI protector and screw it back on. Now all you have to do is screw this device back into the PC, so we can make sure that your card actually stays where it's supposed to be put. Now that you have tightly secured that, you may now put your bonnet top back on. You may also now screw everything back in. And after that, all you have to do is start up your PC, and you'll be ready to basically go. Insert the disc, follow the instructions, and you'll have your Ethernet adapter set it up. This is it.